Hello friends, I'm Jyoti and I'm back again with a new video on IndiaMart. IndiaMart is the first company to come up with an IPO in Modi 2.0 government. So let's begin with the founding story of IndiaMart. Dinesh Agarwal graduated in engineering from India and was working in the United States for a software services firm. He noted the differences in internet penetration in the US and India, and he saw a great opportunity of an internet based business in India. While pondering over ideas, he thought that a website could deliver great value to small and medium enterprises and exporters by connecting them to the buyers in the developed countries. Dinesh therefore came back to India and began creating websites for small and medium enterprises, and thus was born IndiaMart in 1996. Now, let's talk about the big idea which led to the birth of IndiaMart. Dinesh realized that demand for Indian products was growing rapidly. Yellow pages were not able to keep up with the pace of change in a country where street names were disorganized and were frequently changed. There was no reliable database, and thus Dinesh created an online directory which was named as IndiaMart. Sourcing of data of exporters was a difficult task. IndiaMart had to collate data of these exporters from various sources, including export promotion houses, trade fairs, as well as various other directories. Two set of innovations were the free listing and the free inquiry forwarding. He designed free listing form and started distributing to exporters in trade associations, and whoever came across these forms got listed on the online directory. The strategy yielded results, and over a period of time, many of these free listing customers became IndiaMart's paying customers. First order came to IndiaMart from restaurant chain Nirulas. By March 1997, IndiaMart had roped in 45 customers. Financial year 1997 ended with the revenue of 6 lakhs. Now, let me take you through the growth story of IndiaMart from its inception. In 1999, the company had reached revenues of 1 crore. Till this time, company was operating from a rented place, and with company's expansion, this place was not enough. This was a time for IndiaMart to have its own business. Dinesh therefore raised a loan of 1.5 crore to build up IndiaMart business. IndiaMart grew from 1 crore in 1999 to 3 crores in 2002 and further to 18 crores in 2006. There was no stopping, and revenue further raised to 50 crores in 2009. You can see the revenue growth of IndiaMart in the chart presented on the screen. In 2010-2011, company went into massive expansion and it opened 52 offices in 52 weeks. Since its inception, the company had 4 rounds of funding. The first one was a loan taken from friends, family and banks. Till now, company has raised funds of 200 crores. This growth story had its downfalls as well. Twin Brothers and Lehman Brothers crisis. IndiaMart built its own campus in 2001, and the next morning, IndiaMart's founder woke up to the news of terrorist attack in USA. This affected orders from US and had a very bad impact on company's revenue. Further in 2008, IndiaMart was building its own market share and revenues, and there came the worst global financial crisis. The collapse of Lehman Brothers again led to a downfall. But as we know, these challenges were not enough to stop IndiaMart on its growth path. Sensing a big opportunity in the consumer space, the company also launched an online retail marketplace in June 2014 by the name of Tolexo.com. The company also expanded its business in travel and industrial exports during its growth phase. Currently, the company is a major domestic B2B giant. Let's also talk about the recent IPO of IndiaMart. IndiaMart is the first company to come up with an IPO in the new government term. IndiaMart's IPO was opened from 24th to 26th June. The IPO was oversubscribed 36 times. The issue price was 973 rupees. On its first day of listing, the stock went up by 34% from its issue price. So friends, this was all about IndiaMart. Kindly leave your comments in the section below, and please subscribe to my channel to remain updated with the latest financial news.